Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, I have already provided you a lot of facts related with the title, like a brief description related with the story writer, theme, facts or moral. Today, I would have to provide you the exact summary related with the poem, like the Lake Isle of Innisfree, and it's actually the creation of William Butler Yeats. It's the chapter related with our poetry section, and it's especially topic related with our beehive. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's videos and follow me. The Lake Isle of Innisfree is a poem composed by William Butler Yeats. Innisfree is an island in Ireland. The poet was born there. He had spent his childhood in that island. Later, his family moved to London. The poet was in London when he wrote this poem. He remembers his childhood days. The poet wishes to go to Innisfree to get peace. He wants to build a small cabin there by the help of clay and wattles. He also wants 9 beans rows there and a beehive and live alone. The second stanza is about how he will get peace. But regarding the third stanza or the last stanza, he expresses about his desire to hear the sound of the water in the lake. Now, my dear students, just after having such a lot of information related with the title, I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out any problems related with that very topic. Next day, I shall have to provide you few problems related with step based. So, all of you stay at home, be careful. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.